Hello viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time, I really say big welcome to you. And as a matter of fact, if you're looking for a place to get original cosmetic, when I mean original cosmetic 100% or skincare ingredient or recipe as we might say, Austin Global is the right place for you to always contact via the number on your screen. You can really get to us. Don't forget, we ship everywhere. Yes, we ship everywhere. UK, Canada, Europe, Asia country, USA. We ship everywhere. Even within the vicinity, we ship everywhere. So a quick one, yeah. Today we'll be looking at some of the additives that we know that are relevant and the reason why we put them into our production, into our if it is organic you're producing, or if it is premixing, some of all these additives. So but we'll focus on one, which is glycolic acid. A lot of people do go to training and they train you all, but y'all don't really know how all this thing work and the reason why they just put them all, or the reason why they don't put them at all. Y'all don't even know about that. Or you just know, like, I've been to training, okay, all this 2,000 naira training, all the names of the ingredients. So when you ask them, they block you because they don't even know. So I want to tell you that this is a big opportunity for you to listen and listen attentively. So we just want to know what glycolic acid does and the important. All right, hey, nobody say they will say put that one, put this one, put that one, put that one. They don't even explain their effect, and if they have side effect at all, they don't even explain. So a quick one, let me tell you about glycolic acid. Glycolic acid, you see, is a small molecule, all right, that goes into the skin deeply, go deeply into the skin, and it helps the skin to unbind the dead cell. What I mean unbind the dead cell, it separates the dead cell, okay? So when you remove the dead cell and it brings out new ones, so it's healthier. So it's very, 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 very good. So I'm just making in a summary because we're going to break it down. We'll still go further. So it removes the dead cell and bring new ones, okay? It renew the dead cell. So, and then again, it has antioxidant properties in it, and also it has antibacterial property in it, okay? So now, knowing this fully, if you have all this knowledge, when you are making a lotion or you're making a soap, you always know the right thing to put in the quantity. When you have this idea what this does, what that do, so you always, okay, I need this, I need that, I need that. You cannot understand, I can formulate. You can formulate, you need nobody attention. All you just need to do, go online and read, educate yourself if you can't afford the school fees, all right? So it will help you. So now back to it again. Glycolic acid, what I mean that it has is, when I mean is a small molecule that penetrate the skin, that helps the skin, blah blah blah. Basically, if you're premixing, you will see that if you're premixing or you're doing organic, whatever, out of these two, you see that you would want your lotion to have this peeling effect. It's not peeling effect that like it will be peeling your skin, because that is what it does. It's not that it's going to peel your skin. You just see that like this skin in the next 1 week is changing, all right? Yes, it's changing, it's toning. So it's have this toning effect also. It's not a whitening, but because that it renews the dead cell. That is why it's changing. That is why it's moving out. It's bringing new ones. It's replacing the old one. It becomes so smooth. All right. So that is what it does. Do not be deceived. Do not be deceived. Know all this. Okay, glycolic acid is very, very effective, and that is why it also is an exfoliator. All right, yes, it's an exfoliator. Glycolic acid is an exfoliator. basically why a lot of people have all these infection or have any side effect on our skin. It's usually caused by maybe dirt or excess of oil or dead skin cells. All right. So and when you're using any product that has that glycolic acid in it, before you know, you experience, you will be observing, just be observant, like before you know it, the skin will be changing, it will be changing. You will see a good turnover. All right, that your skin, the fine lines or the wrinkles, like they are off. Okay, before you know it, now do you see fresh new skin coming up? That is when you notice that, oh, my skin is really glowing, my skin is changing, it's whitening. If it's a whitening product that glycolic acid is in it, so like I like the way the cream, you now see the behavior of this cream is coming more better because of the glycolic acid. All right. And it is there's every tendency that, I must say this, there's every tendency that is 95% all skin type, but not all skin. All right. Yes, have this in mind. 95% all skin type, but not all skin. Okay. Because some people, for those that have this rosacea, effect, so I won't advise you to go use it. All right. For those that have those rosacea effect, I would advise you to use it. Okay. Other than that, it's good for every other person. All right. So please always know all this. Know why you put this inside your production. If you don't know it, meaning you are not a formulator, rara, you're not part of it. Okay. Some person, they would say they are formulator. Please, I beg you, all formulators should have the knowledge why we put in all of our additives. All right. In as much glycolic acid is a good exfoliator, it's also a good stimulant. Okay. It stimulates collagen also. All right, because you all know collagen is very good. Okay. It helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, so it really helps. We should all understand the reason why we know. So it helps to stimulate collagen. All right. Yes. And collagen is very, very good. When collagen is up in your lotion or in your cream or your face cream, soap, shower gel, whatever, for the body, skin routine, if there is collagen, I say it helps a lot because it helps to reduce wrinkle, fine lines, and thereabout a lot more. Are you getting it? So glycolic acid stimulates collagen. All right. So another reason, again, another benefit I would always say, okay, it helps to reduce or take away hyperpigmentation. And when we say hyperpigmentation, these are just dark heads in our body, in our skin. All right, those are the hyperpigmentations, and there are a lot more of them. All right, so it helps to take them off. That's why we say it's an exfoliator. All right, so glycolic acid does a lot. We might just say, what is it? It's to those people to those formulators who don't understand it, they just know, say, we've been told that we should put this, we should put that. All right, but they don't really know what it does. If not, there are some additives that if your production goes wrong, you should be able to know where you should be able to spot it out immediately. Okay, this is what went wrong. Okay. I'm just speaking rapidly, because if I say make I go deep, it's going to really take long. Okay, so I just want to wrap this up for us that we really want to learn all these things. There are places I advise you to always go. All right, places like Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare, where they know they have it all. All right, because if one knowledge is better than when you have none of the knowledge. It like you don't know anything at all. It hurts. Some people call me every day like, oh, what's up? My cream, blah, 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 blah. My cream went wrong, my cream do this, my do that, I use it. You see? But when you have all this knowledge, your cream can go wrong, all right? So I would want us to understand that we've come to the end of the class, but if you want to know more, you can register to our college whereby we can teach you properly. And when you premix or you make anything to be excellent, do not forget that we have the knowledge and we are also ready to give it out to you free. Free. See, nothing we carry come. We didn't come with all this knowledge. We got all this knowledge here. So we have to give them out to people. All right? So just register. Register to our college. It will be all settled. And if you want to buy original, I've told you, original cosmetic, original skincare product, everything original in this skincare routine business. If you want original, you can always contact us via the number on your screen. And we ship everywhere, worldwide. We ship everywhere. Don't be deceived anymore. Go to the right places and learn the right thing. God bless you.